Welcome to the 3-Minute Travel Channel. Our channel aims to deliver the charm of travel in a short amount of time. Let's embark on fun and exciting journeys together. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stunning town of Malilipot. As your enthusiastic virtual tour guide, let me take you through a whirlwind adventure of this picturesque place. And what's an adventure without a fantastic packing list? So here's a fun-filled rundown of what you should pack for your Malilipot escapade in just 1 minute. First up, bring your adventurous spirit because Malilipot is a haven for thrill seekers. Pack your hiking boots to conquer the majestic slopes of Mount Mayon, a world-renowned volcano that proudly stands as the backdrop of this town. Don't forget your camera to capture those awe-inspiring panoramic views that will leave you breathless. Next, let's dive into some aqua-fun. Pack your swimsuit, sunscreen, and snorkeling gear, because Malilipot boasts pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. Swim with vibrant marine life. Explore hidden coves, and bask under the tropical sun. Oh, and bring your dancing shoes too, because we might just have an impromptu beach party. Now, let's talk food, because Malilipot is a gastronomic delight. Pack your appetite for mouthwatering Bicolano cuisine. Prepare to savor spicy dishes like Bicol Express and lawing. That will ignite your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Remember, you can always take some dilly nuts back home. A delightful local treat. Last but not least, pack your friendly vibes and an open heart. The people of Malilipot are warm and welcoming, and you'll be greeted with smiles wherever you go. Immerse yourself in their rich culture. Learn a few words of the local language, and create lasting memories with new friends. So there you have it, my fellow adventurers. Grab your adventurous spirit, hiking boots, swimsuit, camera, sunscreen, dancing shoes, appetite, and friendly vibes. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the breathtaking beauty of Malilipot. Remember, in this little slice of paradise, the only limit is your imagination. Enjoy your time in Malilipot, and let the magic unfold. Thank you.